Namaste friends, I am Jayalakshmi Ravichandran signing in on behalf of Magic Needles. This day I am here with pattern 19 that I have used in my blanket cal. This color is Hobby Store DK Special Yarn from Magic Needles with color name Copper and its color code is 5006. This is the stitch I have used in pattern 19 of the blanket. This stitch is categorized under X or cross stitches. This particular pattern requires multiples of 3 plus 2 chains or 3 plus 1 stitches. I am ready with my 34 DCs as usual for the sample swatch. In the blanket you have 302 stitches, so you will have 1 stitch extra which will be adjusted at the end of the row in the blanket. For this I have ideally 34, which is multiples of 3 plus 1. So in this sample it fits in perfectly. Let's begin. Turn the work. I usually don't make a chain and turn, just straight away make the single crochet in the very first one, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet, chain 2, skip 2, single crochet. This is the repeat pattern. So chain 2, skip 2, single crochet in the next, continue till the end. I shall meet you when I come to this particular point. I have come to the end of the row. I am ideally left with 3 stitches. So chain 2, skip 2 and place the last single crochet in the very last stitch. Turn your work. Either place 3 chains or 1 standing double crochet in the very last stitch that we made in the previous row, that is our single crochet. Place a double crochet in the next chain 2 space, chain 1, place a double crochet in the next chain 2 space, now place a double crochet in the previous chain 2 space. So we are crossing over the double crochet, or we are making an X stitch ideally. Now chain 1, place a double crochet in the next chain 2 space, then place a double crochet, come back and place a double crochet in the previous chain 2 space. So this is the pattern repeat for this entire row. I'll make one more and show. Chain 1, place a double crochet in the next chain 2 space, not in the chain space that is containing the stitch here, but in the next one. And we're going to come back and work in the previous chain 2 space. We're going to make a double crochet there. Continue this till the end. I shall meet you at this particular end over here. We have come to the end of this row here. We have placed our last crossed stitch. Now chain 1 and place a double crochet in this stitch here. So this row is complete. The pattern repeat is the first and second rows here. Leave alone the DC row. So the first row and the second row, that is SC, chain 2, SC row, and DC and crossover DCs in the chain 2 spaces. This is the pattern repeat for the entire project that you would like to take up. For the blanket I am stopping with this one particular pattern row, that is row 1 and 2 alone, and now next I am going to place 1 DCs all across I should be having 34 DCs. Turn my work or turn your work. Pull up the loop to the height of a DC. Place a standing twisted DC here. Next, 1 double crochet in chain space. 1 double crochet on DCs. So again 1 double crochet on in the chain space, and continue till the end and complete this row for the blanket. For any project you need to continue, repeat the rows 1 and 2 all across to the length required or as the project demands. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you are notified well in advance as and when we upload new videos. As such, we are uploading 1 video per day for 6 days in a week for the blanket, so those will be notified to you. Thank you friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.